Really smooth last evening. At 50 meters, my expression was wow.
10.98. She was fantastic. Did 11.15 in her first race back. First race of the season, I should say.
Yeah.
And here we go for the lineup once more. Lane number 1 from MVP Track Club, Janelle Smith.
Very special talent from Wilmer's Trust High School for Girls. She has a gold medal from the Doha World Championships in 2019, where she ran the first leg of the 4x100 meters. Has been struggling with injuries. If you look at her right arm, you'll see that blue kinesio tape. So struggling with injuries, but even with the injuries, she's in the semifinals and has run 11.23 seconds in the heats to get here, hoping to get into the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
Lane number 2, Naisha Burgle.
No,
that's
Tina
Clayton in lane number 2.
Two-time world under 20 100 meters champion. Hasn't got back to 10.95 form, but rounding into shape nicely. The second of 3 MVP athletes in this first semi-final.
Lane number 3, Jodean Williams from Sprint Tech.
Nobody should be happier for her than herself. 11.01, a brand new PB set last evening. She is already at her very best and expects to go sub-11 and be in the top 3.
And lane number 4, Kemba Nelson from Elite Performance.
Part of the 2022 4x1 silver medal team at Oregon, and 10.85 at her best, has gone up to 11.12 in qualifying. She's trying to round back into form, and she'll want to be in the final.
Here in lane 5 from MVP Track Club, Natasha Morrison.
Natasha Morrison won her heat yesterday. Her 11.12 positions her very well. That was a season best that she did yesterday. She knows that she is well positioned to be in the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
And in lane number 6, from a national champion from Elite Performance, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 2-time Olympic gold medalist, multiple world championship gold medalist over 100 meters, potentially her penultimate race over 100 meters locally in Jamaica. She has indicated that she wants to step away after this year, and she has gone as fast as 10.60, gave us something to whet her appetites last evening with 10.98. All eyes will be on her.
In a lane number 7, from Sprint Tech, Ashanti Moore.
Ashanti Moore, when she was at Hydel, she was their captain and did super for them at Champs. Now, on the professional stage, representing Adidas, and ran a time of 11.24 to get here.
And lane number 8, that's Naisha Burgle. So,
yeah, Naisha
based on the
Burgle.
lane assignments, there was some switch.
Yes, University of Texas at El Paso, 11.06 personal best, qualified with 11.32, and she expect her to go fast, one of the fastest Jamaicans before the semifinals or the prelims last evening.
Came in with 11.06, I believe it was.
Correct.
Did not look near to that form in the heats yesterday. The crowd is literally buzzing. Watch for the top 3 viewers, listen for the top 3. Those are the only ones who are guaranteed a spot in this evening's final.
So just to clarify, Bruce, and help them understand, when there are 2 semifinals, it's the top 3 and the 2 next best times. Right. When there are 3 semifinals, it's the top 2 and the next best 2 times.
Correct.
So this is semifinal 1, the first and the penultimate semifinal of the women's 100 meters.
Athletes on their mark, set position. And what kind of start does Fraser-Pryce get? She gets the trademark bullet start. Also running well is Janelle Smith. Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce streak away from this field. Janelle Smith is following her through. 10.90, the flash time. She's getting faster and faster. Let's see what that comes back at for Fraser-Pryce.
10.91, positive 1.5. Super running. She grabs her teammate, Kemba Nelson.
That was second, yeah.
11.04. Natasha Morrison steps up with 11.16. Business like. Come on now, Shelly-Ann, break a smile.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, affectionately known as the Mommy Rocket, made a powerful return to the track during the 2024 Jamaican National Trials. The two-time Olympic gold medalist and four-time Olympic medalist over 100 meters reminded the world why she remains one of the sport's most respected figures. Her performance in the semifinals left no doubts. Fraser-Pryce is still a force to be reckoned with. In what could be one of her final appearances on Jamaican soil, Fraser-Pryce clocked a stunning 10.91 seconds, showcasing her signature bullet start and dominant acceleration. The positive wind reading of plus 1.5 meters per second made the run legal, and the time proved she's well on track for another competitive season. Her smooth 10.98 in the heats already signaled excellent form, and her 10.91 in the semifinal confirmed she's building momentum. The semifinal featured a strong field of Jamaican talent. Janelle Smith, a promising athlete from MVP Track Club, followed Fraser-Pryce closely and clocked 11.04 to secure second place. Natasha Morrison, also from MVP, delivered a solid 11.16 to grab third and earn her place in the final. These three athletes guaranteed themselves a shot at national glory, while others hoped to qualify based on time. Among the competitors was Tina Clayton, a two-time World U20 champion who is still working her way back to top form. Kemba Nelson, part of Jamaica's silver medal 4x100-meter team in 2022, is also searching for consistency. Jodean Williams, fresh off a new personal best of 11.01, and Ashani Moore, a former high school standout, brought intensity to the lineup, each determined to earn a spot in the final. As the crowd buzzed with anticipation, all eyes were on Fraser-Pryce. Her start was textbook, explosive, and clean. Within seconds, she pulled away from the field, showcasing the grace and power that have defined her storied career. With her sights set on one final season, Fraser-Pryce looked prepared to make it count. The race was not just a semifinal. It was a reminder of the legacy being written in real time. Fans are eager to see Fraser-Pryce return to the international stage, potentially competing against big names like Shericka Jackson, the Clayton twins, and Elaine Thompson-Herah. If she maintains this form, we could be in for one of the most exciting sprint showdowns in recent history. As the 2025 track and field season gets underway, fans are buzzing with excitement. We've already seen key figures like Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, Brianna Williams, and Alana Reed in action, but Fraser-Pryce's appearance adds a whole new level of anticipation. Supporters are hopeful that she remains injury-free and ready to compete alongside Jamaica's best. For now, all eyes remain on the Mommy Rocket, who proves once again that experience, talent, and determination can still defy time. Her 2024 season debut was more than promising. It was a statement.